It's amazing. All the records breaking, history in the making. Feeling something new. It's amazing. It's amazing. It's amazing.
Sa 6 na taon naming pagsasama bilang boyfriend and girlfriend ay sobrang saya na sa hirap ng tagal ng aming paghihintay para kami ay maikasal. Marami kaming pinagdaanan at hindi namin ini-expect na hanggang aabot kami sa araw na ito dahil may mga times na almost parang bumibigay na kami sa aming mga relationships, sa aming samahan.
Mahirap, pero nakaya dahil sa Panginoon. Maraming beses na susubukan ka talaga ng panahon para talaga makita kung gaano kayo katatag. Itong mga nakaraang araw ang pinakamahirap, pero finally, ngayon okay na. Ito yung pangarap namin na talagang kahit na anong pagsubok pala sa buhay, pag nakatakdang mangyayari, mangyayari.
My heart is yours and you know this. I'll follow you where you're going, 'cause that's what my home is. Just one look into your eyes and I knew I was gonna spend my life with you. I promise I'm yours.
Kuya, pinabibigay po ni ate.
Salamat. Love ko. The day stopped choosing you was the day started loving you. As we celebrate our big day today, my love, take this gift as a token of my love. In my eyes, you're the bestest, sweetest man of my dreams. Love you so much. Lots. Dayan.
Hold me close, don't let me go. Hold me close, don't let me. I promise I'm yours.
Ate Dayan, pinapabigay ng Kuya Fritz.
Thank you. My love, please accept this small gift for you. Use this to our most awaited event. I love you so much, Fritz. Love ko, thank you so much sa gift. I love you so much.
Always.
Fritz and Joy, this commitment is lifetime commitment. Do not allow others to destroy this commitment of marriage.